Hello producers, it's Ozgun here and welcome to the channel. So Radio Promo IO just hit the market and it has a potential to change your artist career completely. This is a real-time AI-powered search engine that helps you to find radio stations and most importantly, the contact information of the radio programmers and the radio DJs. So you can pitch your music directly to them. So unlike other tools that take the results from an outdated database, this is a live AI search engine and all the results it will give you is going to be very fresh and live. So you can look any artist or band and it's going to show you which radio stations play their music, along with the names and emails with all the contact information from that radio station. And more than that, you can search by genre as well and instantly you will find the relevant radio stations and with the contact informations, of course. So with this level of access, with this data, you can secure your radio airplay by your own and take your artist career to the next level. You can put your music to the radio. So if you're ready, let me show how this tool works. So guys, this is the website Radio Promo IO and the interface is pretty similar with the Booking Agent IO. I had another video for Booking Agent IO that you could find the contact informations of the clubs and the talent buyers. So also I'm going to put a card if you like to check that video as well. So Radio Promo IO, how it works. You just put an artist name to here. Let's go with Medics, for example. And you click search and in just a couple seconds, it already finds the results. Which radio stations from all over the world played Medics tracks. So before that, this kind of data was kind of impossible to collect as an individual, but now this tool, just find tons of radio stations that play Medics music. So let's go to Europe, for example. And as you see, whenever I zoom in, we got more results coming out. So let's jump to, maybe this one. So it's Energy Radio from Germany, Munich, and it plays Medics 105 times. And you can also see that what's the percentage of Medics tracks played in this radio. You can also see that it's 0.55%. And we got tons of contact informations already. Even we have the contact of head of accounting, And if you just scroll it, you can find the program director. So Alex Hayek, so probably that's a nice name to pitch your track. But always click find more contacts with AI. So it's just gonna squeeze the result, just find the exact person we are looking for. And it's updated. Now we have more results in here. Yeah, the Alex is the program director. For example, if you want to send your music to this radio, you can just use this email. Also, we have the music editor in here, Franziska Wagner. Other than that, you can go and find head of music editorial. You see, we already got 3 people to pitch our track and try our luck to get airplay for this radio, Energy Mini. So also you can just go to their LinkedIn profiles as well, but I think all you gotta do as an artist is just send them email and pitch your music to them. Okay, let's go to another radio. There are tons of results in Europe. Even we have results in USA as well, but I'm mostly interested in Europe since it's the techno, So maybe we can check this one. So it says Radio 105 from Milan, Italy. So Medics got 37 plays in here. And it's 0.1% of what they play usually. And we got some names in here. So for example, the website finds some mail addresses. We already got the director of music. Probably that's the one to pitch up our music. But let's click find more contacts with AI because usually it gives us more, proper results. Yeah, we got tons of new contact informations. Still the director of music, I will send email to him. Oh yeah, we also got the disc jockey of this radio. It says LinkedIn only. So in this case, you can just go to the LinkedIn and reach him personally. On air host, we could also write him on air personality. Yeah, there are 2 more contact informations to send our music. So yeah, guys, this is how it works. As you see, there are 100 radio stations already found in just one search. And we got 100 different radio stations contact informations and we can send our music directly to their inbox. And this time, let's search Mary Want. And let's see how many results are we gonna get from this search. It's already loading. We got many airplays from USA again, Europe again, even in Australia. So we got 99 radio stations that play Mary Want's track. So most of them in Europe, obviously, because that's techno is so popular in Europe. And maybe this time we can go to Netherlands. Maybe we can go with Slam FM. So as you see, this doesn't give the positions in the first search, so I can just click find more contacts with AI. And let's see for Slam FM, can we get some contact information that we can send our track to? And yeah, we got new contact informations and we got 2 music director and 1 DJ. You see, like 3 people from Slam FM that we can send our track to pitch our track. And who knows, if they like your track, they will be playing on their radio show. And lastly, let me search by genre. So for the search for genre, we just need to pick a category. I'm going to search dance and EDM. So this is going to be more general search. It's genre specific. And this time I'm going to go like some British radio stations. Maybe this one. It's Select Radio. So we can check the radio from their socials. It says Select Radio is a radio station that provides dance music from over 50 DJs 24 hours a day. Perfect. So those are not the disc jockeys for radio programs. Let's search with AI to find more results. And now we got, the disc jockey, radio presenter, radio host, 3 more contact information that we can send our track to. And let's say we want to send email to this radio station. So English is my not primary language. So that's why I'm going to just get some help from ChatGPT. And I'm going to show you what kind of email that we can use to pitch our tracks to the radio stations. I'm going to send a promo to radio station called Select Radio. And I want them to play it on their radio airplay. Can you give me a text template? My track is Ozgun. This is Ecstasy, main stage 140 BPM techno track. And this is the link to download. And I'm just going to paste my track SoundCloud link. So let's see what kind of text is ChatGPT going to give us. Radio promo submission, Ozgun. This is Ecstasy main stage techno. Hi, Select Radio team. Hope you are great. Probably we can replace the Select Radio team as the name of, the disc jockey. For example, Mark Lawson. Hello, Mark Lawson. Hope you are doing great. I'm reaching out to share my latest track. A high energy 140 BPM main stage techno release crafted for peak time techno moments. I believe it would be a perfect fit for your radio programming. Here's a download link. Thanks for listening. And I like to hear your thoughts. If it finds a spot on your playlist, that would mean the world. All the best, Ozgun. And you can put your social media, contact information. So then we can just pitch this kind of email to all of the results that we find in Radio Promo IO. And hopefully, if they like your track too, they can play your track in their radio shows, in their playlist. And that could be a very big opportunity for your artist career. Also, guys, for the pricing, the basic plan starts from $29.99 and you got the other plans as well. And you can check all the other tiers of subscription and find the one that fits to your case. So yeah, guys, today I'll show you how you can use Radio Promo IO. Please let me know what you think on the comment section and see you on the next video. Take care. Bye bye. Peace.